Hello, and welcome back to our channel Business Class. Today, we will be discussing about Bitcoin and how it will perform in the year 2023. We all know that cryptocurrency suffered major losses in 2022. As observed in the year 2022, Terra, USD, Luna saw a major downfall, and the coin lost all of its value and was abandoned. FTX, which was the second major crypto exchange, was under the highlight due to fraud charges. Last year at this time, Bitcoin was nearly $46,000. It's now worth about a third of what it was. That has not stopped Bitcoin supporters from losing hope. Many people are hoping for a comeback in 2023 to recoup their losses. Others predict even more crashes like the one in 2022. Some even believe Bitcoin will vanish forever. For more in-depth analysis, let's jump into the video. What is Bitcoin? For viewers who are new to the crypto world, Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that can be transferred electronically from one user to another, without input from the bank or government. Transactions done using Bitcoin are stored on the blockchain for verification. Bitcoin was created in 2008 by an unknown individual or group of individuals using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. As there is no central control over the supply and transactions of Bitcoin, it is a decentralized form of payment. Transactions on Bitcoin are secure through its advanced cryptography and can be proceeded without revealing the user's information. Transaction fees are reduced compared to centralized forms of payments, and Bitcoin is accessible globally. Despite inflation and economic recession, Bitcoin has a limited supply of 21 million coins, meaning it will always have a demand for it. Investors' point of view for Bitcoin in 2023. To begin, investor and long-term cryptocurrency supporter Tim Draper have predicted Bitcoin to reach $250,000 in the third quarter of 2023. Draper is optimistic that the market of Bitcoin has yet to reach the retail market, where currently women control 80% of spending. Founder of Atlanta digital currency, Alastair Milne, predicted Bitcoin price to rise upwards of $45,000 with the current inflation. He declared on Twitter that he is basically all in again and believes Bitcoin will prove its worth once more. According to Milne, Bitcoin price could skyrocket to $300,000 by the year end of 2023. Draper predicted that his prediction would be true in the upcoming time. Bitcoin enthusiasts will undoubtedly be watching these two predictions closely over the next few years. Carol Alexander, a finance professor at Sussex University, predicts that the price of Bitcoin will rise by $30,000 in the first half of 2023, reaching $50,000 by the end of the year. Many traders believe Alexander's prediction last year that Bitcoin would bottom out at $10,000 was not wrong and believe in her predictions for Bitcoin's rise. Not everyone believes in Bitcoin. Mark Mobius, who is the founder of Mobius Capital, stated that Bitcoin would fall to $10,000 in 2023. It is because of U.S. Federal Reserve is improving its policies by increasing interest rates. This creates a problem for Bitcoin and limits the consumer market. When Bitcoin hit $28,000 in May, Mobius predicted that the price would fall to $20,000 in 2022. As a result, many are viewing the veteran investor's latest warning as proof that the crypto winter is far from over. More investors and institutions may sell, putting additional pressure on the market. Inflation caused major problems for the crypto market in 2022, and it will likely continue in 2023 as well. Centralized network predictions for Bitcoin. The Standard Chartered Bank predicted the price of Bitcoin to decrease to $5,000. Eric Robertson, the bank's global head of research, made the decision in December. According to him, more and more crypto firms and exchanges are finding themselves with insufficient liquidity, resulting in additional bankruptcies and a collapse in investor confidence in digital assets. With mass tech sell-offs and plummeting share prices, Robertson predicted that the damage had been done to Bitcoin. The $5,000 mark would represent a 70% drop from the current market price of $17,000. This price point is not ideal for people who have already invested, but provides an opportunity for new investors to buy Bitcoin when the price is down. Bitcoin usages in daily life. While most people don't see the benefit of paying with cryptocurrencies, right now more retailers accepting payments may change the landscape in the future. We're probably still a long way from it being a wise financial decision to spend Bitcoin on goods or services. Still, increased institutional adoption could lead to more use cases for everyday users, influencing crypto prices. With crypto, financial rise or fall isn't guaranteed. But for investors looking for long-term gains, Bitcoin will surely increase in value for its applications. Bitcoin upcoming challenges. Bitcoin will have to tackle challenges to ensure its survivability in the global market. If Bitcoin is well regulated, it has the potential to disrupt a wide range of industries. This has resulted in a backlash against Bitcoin regulation in a number of countries. Indeed, several restrictions such as cryptocurrency taxation are imposed. Cybersecurity is another major concern. There are countless opportunities for malicious individuals to take advantage of Bitcoin's inexperienced users until it is widely accepted. This also raises concerns about Bitcoin's vulnerable image, as it is the most cybercriminal cryptocurrency. Last but not least, Bitcoin investors must deal with market volatility. Before purchasing Bitcoin, it is critical to conduct research and understand how they work. Advice to investors for buying Bitcoin in 2023. So, with such a wide range of predictions, what should crypto investors do? Diversification is one option, but the trade-off is not beneficial, as it is for the traditional market. With Bitcoin increase, the market also rises and vice versa. Diversification simply reduces the amount your portfolio can fluctuate. But when Bitcoin is your least volatile asset, you should prepare for the upcoming market volatility. Investors are encouraged to hold other crypto assets like Solana, Sol, Cardano, ADA, etc. Future of crypto in 2023. The cryptocurrency market is expected to mature and become more regulated over the next few years. This will result in increased market stability and trust, which should attract more institutional and retail investors. Furthermore, more businesses and merchants are expected to begin accepting cryptocurrencies as payment, which will aid in mainstream adoption. Government regulation is one of the key factors that could influence the future of cryptocurrency. Some countries have been more welcoming to cryptocurrencies than others, and governments around the world may become more involved in market regulation in the coming years. This could include establishing oversight bodies, implementing Know Your Customer (KYC) and anti-money laundering (AML) regulations, and so on. Technological advancements are another important factor that could influence the future of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is still a relatively new technology, with plenty of room for advancement. For example, transaction times for some cryptocurrencies can be slow and expensive, which is a major barrier to mainstream adoption. However, many projects are working on solutions to these issues, such as the development of second-layer scaling solutions, such as Bitcoin's Lightning Network, and more advanced consensus mechanisms, such as those used in Ethereum 2.0. These developments may contribute to making cryptocurrency more usable, efficient, and secure. Finally, the use of cryptocurrency in decentralized finance, or DeFi, is expected to expand. Applications that are based on the use of financial assets developed on the blockchain are called DeFi. This concludes our video. We hope you enjoyed it. According to the information provided by experts and investors, Bitcoin is highly unlikely to drop to zero in 2023. As a matter of fact, it will recover its price and play a major role in strengthening the foundations of cryptocurrency. Despite 2022 being a rough year for all cryptocurrencies, recoveries are in order as the global economic situation is unpredictable. Many investors will turn to cryptocurrency to store their financial assets and expect run-on investment ROI. That being said, crypto is a volatile and unpredictable market. Despite many predictions and analysis, no individual or organization can determine its value. It is better to do your own research before investing in any coin to avoid suffering financial loss. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, comment down below if you plan on investing in Bitcoin this year. All of the information in this video is for educational and informational purposes based on our research and analysis. Cryptocurrencies are risky assets to trade. Do your own research before taking any trade and manage your risk accordingly. We are not financial advisors and won't be responsible for any loss or profit.